Welcome to my full review of the Ahrefs affiliate program. If you're considering becoming an affiliate for Ahrefs, or are just curious about how it works, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Ahrefs is one of the most powerful SEO tools out there, widely used by digital marketers, content creators, and SEO experts. Their affiliate program offers a chance for you to earn a commission by referring customers to their services. The first thing you'll notice when you visit the Ahrefs website is how well it positions its products, and that's the first step in attracting potential users for your affiliate links. Once you sign up for the Ahrefs affiliate program, you'll be provided with a personalized referral link that tracks all of your leads and sales. The program operates on a recurring commission model, meaning you earn a percentage of the subscription fee for every customer that signs up through your link. This is particularly appealing because it offers the potential for consistent, passive income if you're able to refer multiple customers. Ahrefs offers two main subscription tiers, the Lite plan and the Standard plan, both with competitive pricing. As an affiliate, you earn commissions when new customers subscribe to any of these plans, with payouts ranging from $100 to $500 for each referral, depending on the subscription they sign up for. The more expensive the plan, the higher your payout. This means there's real earning potential if you can target the right audience who would benefit from Ahrefs' powerful SEO tools. One of the best things about the Ahrefs affiliate program is the marketing resources they provide. As an affiliate, you'll get access to banners, links, and detailed reports on the performance of your referrals. This helps you track how well your efforts are doing and refine your strategy to maximize your earnings. Ahrefs also stands out because of its long cookie window. While many affiliate programs offer only 30 days, Ahrefs gives you a 120-day cookie, which significantly increases your chances of earning a commission. If someone clicks on your link and signs up within 4 months, you'll still receive credit for the sale. Now, if you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. These include additional tools and insights that can help boost your affiliate marketing efforts beyond Ahrefs. Ahrefs also has a dedicated support team for affiliates. If you have any issues or questions about your account or the program, they are quick to respond and provide detailed guidance. So, is the Ahrefs affiliate program worth it? In my honest opinion, it absolutely is. With high payouts, a long cookie window, and a product that is genuinely valuable to digital marketers, it's a great opportunity for anyone looking to make money in the affiliate marketing space. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. And if you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up.